How to use built-in ruler on Samsung phone. So if for some reason you need to use ruler, I'm just gonna show you where to find it, how to add and how to use. Let's get started. Firstly, to find ruler, we just need to go ahead and open settings. And from here, scroll down till the display section. Now scroll a bit down again to find Edge Panels. Edge Panels is the feature which allows us to easily trigger apps, tools, and many other important moments, for example, contacts. So go ahead and turn that on. After that, you will see the line on the right side of your phone or on the left. Just drag it inwards to see the content of Edge Panel. But to be able to use ruler, we need to tap on Panels and add not just apps but also tools. So tap on that and save changes by going back. And now let's just swipe from the right to the left to see the apps and then do this again to switch to tools. And as you can see right now we have compass. So to find ruler, just tap the three dots in the top right of the Edge Panel and then tap ruler. And here it is. If you need to switch to inches, just tap on centimeters and you will see inch system. Now to resize, you can just tap on calibrate and then drag scale left or right to calibrate. For example, I can make it 12 centimeters instead of 10, or reverse, just drag it to the 10 centimeters by swiping it right like that. After that, just click done. And now you can also tap anywhere on the ruler to find the exact measure, just like that. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.